Arrivals and departures takes the form of an arrivals and departures board, much like you'd see at a train station or an airport. But instead of announcing trains or planes, it announces names of people, those who are arriving and those who have departed. The work has two ways of engaging with it, either in person, when you can actually see the physical mechanical boards at Somerset House, and a very easy to use website. You can see the board, but also on the homepage is a submit a name button, and you can simply click on that button and then it asks you for the name, whether it's an arrival or departure. You can also add a story, and then you can click on the stories section on the website and read everybody's stories, which is a really beautiful and heartwarming thing to do. We're inviting the public to think about who do they want to celebrate the birth and death, but very much the journey in between as well.